Good day, Mom, sir. My name is William A. Wow. I'm 27 years old. I am single and doesn't have kids. I went to college and studied Bachelor in Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management for 1 year. I also have experience working as a housemaid or nanny here in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve three members of the family, two adults and one 4 years old boy. And I also look after one small dog. My main duties are washing, cooking, car washing, going to market and walking the dog. I also fetch the kid to the nursery at daycare in the morning. I also have work experience in Hong Kong for 1 year and 2 months. I serve three members of the family, two adults and one disabled kid with severe cerebral palsy. My main duty is to look after the kid with disability. I feed him through tube because he cannot eat through his mouth and cannot walk and cannot stand, cannot move on his own. I carry him and put him on the wheelchair. I also do cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, ironing, and going to the school to assist the kid on school hours. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for better living and to support my family. I am an honest, trustworthy, obedient, and hardworking person. I promise to finish my 2 years contract with your family and I am willing to renew when needed. I hope to see you soon. Bye, Mom, sir.